Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Very welcome to the presentation number 12 of the email power machine. Yes, you are almost an email marketing specialist. But we are not done yet. We are not done yet. In one of my next presentations, I give you an exact blueprint. Yes, that's right, an exact blueprint how to create and how to set up your own money machine. In this presentation, we discuss how to email your list and when is the best time to email your messages. The first thing I want to point out here is that you must realize, and I assume that you know this already, you must realize that email is the most important asset of your business. So don't copy and paste blindly. Model it to your style. Be authentic. Of course, I understand you get inspiration. You must get inspiration from sources, which you have here in these presentations, in your MP4 videos, in your ebook. So you get inspirations through your research and look at examples of successful marketers. But don't turn swipe emails into a copy and paste machine, but use it as an inspiration source. What you do with your list is selling clicks, because selling clicks is sales. Sales, I mean the high probability that you get sales of it. Therefore, it's important that you build a trusting relationship with your subscribers. My advice is that always ask for a reply, so you will automatically be on the whitelist and you come automatically on the whitelist and not in the spam folder, that your subscribers don't see your messages. And very important, always reply back. I go a bit deeper in this item. Why always reply back? Let's say someone emailed you today and asked for you to help him or her to fix a problem they had, and you know how to fix this problem. Would you help them? Of course, sure you would. However, if 20, 30, 80 people ask you how to fix a problem, I know, the answer is different. Most people would hate to answer 100 people per day for help, because they think I cannot sell to these people, so I don't reply. But that's a big mistake. As I mentioned in chapter 2, the sky is the limit, and I can't stress enough this, and I repeat it here again, that you must have a helping friends mindset. When you have that, the money comes naturally. When you help other people, you naturally generate trust, and trust generates sales. When you help these 100 people with pleasure, that means that you stay loyal to them. And the opposite is that they stay loyal to you. And what's even better, they will tell you their needs and desires. They ask you to fix a problem, so you know what their problems are. And that is automatically an inspiration for you, an inspiration source to create new products as the ultimate solution for their needs and desires. And yes, that means limitless money with proper email marketing strategy. Now we make the step to when to send your message. And I can say you, and I have experienced it and a lot of success with it, is more is more. When you wanted to keep the attention of your subscribers, my strongly advice is, as part of a campaign, send an email at least every day. Better yet is to send 2 or 3 messages per day. during your campaign. Now, I know what you think. Is that not too much? No, that's not too much. It's proven that when you send 1, 2, or even 3 messages a day, you have more sales. More messages bring in more sales. Why? Well, you are simply applying the power of repetition. During an email campaign, you can easily send an email in the morning, let's say at 10 o'clock, an email in the afternoon, and an email at the evening. Remember, more is more, and that means sales, more sales. It significantly increases the chance that your message stands out and is read on one of the mentioned day parts. What's the idea behind it? What is the idea behind this? Well, the idea is that not every email sent out by you will be read by your subscribers. But by applying the power of repetition, you increase the chance that one or more of your messages will be seen and therefore your chance of more sales, of course. So that is the reason that you easily can send 2 or even 3 messages a day as part of your email campaign. Besides that, when you have no offer, usually you have not every day an offer. However, very important, stay in touch with your subscribers consistently. Build a relationship with them. For example, send them every day a quote of the day. A quote of the day you like. Now you're going to ask me, a quote of a day, that are 365 quotes. How can I find these quotes? Well, you know this. There are resources where you can find saying and phrases to get inspiration. And here I give you another 2 more resources for saying and phrases where you get inspiration for your email marketing. For instance, for your quote of the day. So this is what about emailing your list, how and when. And I thank you very much for listening to this presentation, and I see you in the next presentation.